Hello, my dear friends. This is Rajesh Mahapatra. I hope all of you are doing well and happiness. In this session, I'll be telling you about the concept of how do you create a new custom image from an existing image. I'll show you in the lab in more details so that you can easily understand it. Let's get started. Guys, in this session, I'll guide you how do you create a new custom image from an existing image. As I mentioned all the step here, we'll go through it. Then you can create a new custom image from an existing image. Let's switch to the GCP console web portal page. I'll show you in the lab how do you create a new custom image from an existing image. Guys, as you can see here, this is the GCP Compute Engine web portal page. As you can see here, one of the existing Linux server is available here now. New Linux server. The instance is stopped. It means the new Linux server is stopped now. Guys, now we'll navigate to the image section. As you can see here, click on image here and wait a couple of seconds. As you can see here, my existing image is available here now. I'll show you how do you create a new image from an existing custom image. Guys, now you can click on create image button here. Then configure the name of the new custom image here. Guys, as you can see here, the name of the custom image as my new custom image here. Then you can select the source as image. Then guys, as you can see here, the source image section here. Then select the source image here as my existing image. Then you can select the regional based on your project requirement, guys. Then leave all the remaining field as it is. Then click on create button here. Then wait a couple of seconds to successfully create your new custom image. As you can see here, guys, my new custom image is creating here now. Guys, as you can see here, my new custom image is successfully created here now. Now I hope so you can understand how do you create a new custom image from an existing custom image. Now guys, I'll show you how do you delete your custom image here. Select your custom image here first, then click on delete to avoid the unnecessary billing. Once complete your practical session, guys, don't forget to remove all the custom image. It might take couple of seconds to successfully delete it here. Guys, as you can see here, the custom image is successfully deleted here now. Now I hope so you can understand it. Guys, see you in the next session. Thank you and have a great day.